Hello everyone and welcome to HOMAG Newsflash. Wow, now wasn't that yet another incredibly impressive experience? 50 years of Ligna and HOMAG was there once again. For the very first time we presented all of our solutions under one single roof. Needless to say, it takes a huge effort to make all of that possible. But you know what? Why not take a look for yourself? It is always extremely impressive to see how an empty exhibition hall becomes the meeting place for the industry, right? With all these huge machines. We are extremely delighted that so many people took up our invitation and visited us at our booth. And of course, our CEO, Dr. Daniel Schmidt, was there as well.
We have a full booth, we show a lot of innovation, we have very good talks with our customers. Ligna is the world-leading trade fair in our industry. Here we see the latest and greatest innovations. Here we have the largest amount of exhibitors. And here we have the highest amount of customers seeing us. It's the place to be. First of all, there's our innovation center, where we show our latest and greatest innovation to a large customer base. And then we have our edge printing machine, which was 2 years ago still in the innovation center and which is now ready for sale. And number 3, our brand new software platform, Homag Intelligence, which we launched here at Ligna.
I am quite sure you'll agree that sounds like a total success. And at this point, a big thank you to all of the HOMAG employees who were on site and who made this fantastic experience possible in the first place. Why don't we now take a look at how our HOMAG colleagues experienced Ligna?
The impression is very good because we have a lot of people here. It is an outstanding performance, by the way, from our team. And we get also very good feedback from our customers.
Sustainable living, sustainable timber construction is not just a trend, it's reality. And we are showing how we see this in future. We had around about 1,000 visitors per day in our innovation center. And we saw a lot of smiling faces. And on my point of view, the customers and the visitors liked our innovation center this year.
We got a great Ligna here with a great booth. We even solve problems straight on the Ligna. On top of that, we discuss with our customers how to develop our partnership even more. And it is once again shown that HOMAG and service is a substantial connection and service belongs to a good and sustainable machine portfolio of HOMAG.
It's great with the customers to be able to come over here and see the technology firsthand that we a lot of times don't have the opportunity to in America. So showing it here on the HOMAG booth has been outstanding.
Ligna was once again a great opportunity for us to exchange ideas directly with our customers and gather new inspiration. Thank you so much for being there. Now that reminds me, I'm sure you do recall in our last episode, we were promised a major world premiere in the field of digitalization. Now we can finally reveal what it's all about. We would like to say hi to Homag Intelligence, an absolute innovation. It is the first cloud-based and modular platform on the market that offers a seamless process from sales to production, seamlessly networked and with a centralized data management. And now, here comes Alexander Lindner to tell us more about it.
Hello Yasmine, or rather, hi to Homag Intelligence, the innovation out of Homag in the area of software and digital. With Homag Intelligence, we developed a platform realizing a seamless process from point of sale to production without internal interfaces and with a centralized data management. Many of our customers know the challenges. First, have to think about hardware or network structures before even thinking about a point of sale solution. Or they have to think about the data management or even maintain data twice. All these problems we solve with Homag Intelligence. And despite this consistency, we stay open and modular in order to realize a perfect solution for all our customers, easy to implement and very fast.
But of course, HOMAG Intelligence was not the only innovation we presented at Ligna 2025. Better fasten those seatbelts because here come a whole lot more of our highlights. Wow, with images like these, I am already looking forward to next Ligna. Well, I sure hope we were able to inspire you with our machines and solutions. We certainly managed to do so with our visitors. And with that, it's time to say goodbye for now. Thank you for joining in, everyone, and all the best to all of you. See you soon.
Wir sind eine kleine Familie, kann man inzwischen sagen, wo man sich einfach trifft, tolle Gespräche führt und am Ende quasi immer eine schöne Messe hat oder einen schönen Tag.
We need the support, and Homag provided this kind of support. What we really appreciated is their full offer.
Es ist jetzt nicht so, hier habt ihr eine Nagelbrücke und los geht's, sondern es wird dann auch durchaus mal im Betrieb dann noch der ein oder andere Optimierungsvorschlag dann mit eingebracht, halt eben ein rundum sorglos Paket.
Ich bin sehr glücklich, auch hier zu sein, sehr schön zu sehen, was Homag alles anbietet, was Homag alles als Innovation zeigt.